Got the film going.
Can't zoom in on a GoPro. Tries to zoom in.
Seth Rutledge with the technical stick there to get the win on that play.
I'm getting covered.
That is Sully Harnham, assisted by Daniel Henry.
Get her done.
69. Hold on, you hold this for a sec.
What?
You hold this for a sec. Yeah. Not bad. Trevor. Hey, Trevor. Trevor. Nice one, dude. Oh! Hey, Daniel, that's close, bud. Nice touch. Out of he came. That's some good captain stuff right there. Good footwork. I know. On the same team. Legendary. I know. Hoagie with the spin move. Hey, let's see the celly.
Okay. Colin. Who's the assistant? Should I just go assist unknown?
Yeah.
And look at the footage or something?
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, we'll figure it out at half. Yeah, time was like 7. Way to go, Curry. Nice moves, Curry. Sully's on fire too. Damn. Man, Chris could have had a goal so early. It was like perfect setup. I don't think he can see with that hat on. Oh, there it is. Redemption. That was nice. He's got it. That's some good play. No way. Yeah, the birds are on the hunt right now. Oh. Perfect play. Ooh, that was close. Clip that.
Clip that, bro.
Oh! Oh! That was a sick move. Sully's going off today. That was nice. Nice. That was nice. That was nice. Oh my gosh. Can he finish? That was crazy. That was like nuts. That was actually good.
Oh.
That's a nice... Man, this is a good game.
Body check.
This is a good game. I gotta get more clean on these transitions. Nice D. Possibly. Alright. That was Ben just scored. Ben Fleckenstein, assisted by Sully Harnum, number 69.
Ben. For the Uchia Clan.
Yeah.
Is this by who?
Sully Harnum. Just put Sully. Ben's wasting time now. I wonder how long it's been. It's been like about 10 minutes, I think.
Yeah. He's oh my god.
Oh, here we go, here we go.
Oh, what a play.
Rudder on the play. Oh, beautiful.
Oh.
It's great D. Great defense.
Oh. No way. How'd that go in?
That was crazy. That was crazy.
That was like
That was so
top-notch.
hype. That was hype.
That was Ben again.
Ben from Owen. Oh,
Ben is Iraqi.
that was so sick. That was so
Cherry
sick.
picking right now.
I know, but that's what you gotta do sometimes, right? That's a play.
5 minutes left on the period, guys. 5 minutes.
Yep. Oh, Ben's looking for the Hattie.
Breakaway again. Oh. Nice.
Oh. Man, everyone is playing well.
Oh my god.
Rookie Seth Rutledge with a great shot.
He's like awkwardly trying not to look.
Let's focus in on Cam Tracy. That's a bit of a hack from behind.
Let's watch Cam for a minute.
We'll focus in on Cam Tracy. I like stopped for some reason. Didn't miss anything though.
He tries to take it from his own team.
Ooh, that was nice. I gotta get. Yeah.
Oh my god. Shot.
Captain
Oh, what a
Cam.
play.
Oh. Ooh, that's nice. I respect that shot. Nice defense. Oh.
This went in.
That was sick. That was a good play.
Very bouncy. Oh. Man down.
Injury on the court.
Injury on the court. Oh, what a play.
That's a nice pass.
Oh, pass it.
Alright. It's a shot on net. It's always good.
It always
Man, maybe we should be doing goalie stats.
Maybe I should plug in a mic to the GoPro and we should be commentating.
Yeah.
Posting it on YouTube.
Well, I mean, they're gonna hear us talking. I am posting this on YouTube.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, I am. I might just take the sound out yet. I don't know.
Put music over it.
Yeah. Just Rocket League, the Rocket League like anthem the entire time.
Yep.
Rocket League, sponsored by Infinity Floorball.
You mean
Rocket
Floorball, sponsored by
Rocket League and Monster Truck. and energy drinks.
Monster Energy. Enlighten your game.
Red Bull energy drinks.
Red Bull gives you hands.
Oh. High stick. No call on the play. And Trevor Townsend will accidentally clear it over the boards. There he is. Man of the hour, the rookie, in his first game. A clever touch. Oh, it's a high stick there from Joel Hogan. Simon Tracy will take the free hit. Pass into the corner for Sally Harden. Pass out front, deflected by Richard Curry. And Joel Hogan on the ball now on the counter attack. Blocked by Simon Tracy. Pass into the corner. Seth Rutledge with a shot across the net. Sally Harden will collect in the corner. He surveys.
Off to,
and a pass up to Simon Tracy with the chip, but a great save. A great save. Pass in front. Again, Joel Hogan in the corner.
Hogan.
Simon assesses on defense.
Makes a greasy play. We like those around here.
Spin move, kicks it.
Oh.
And goaltender Brendan Troop will make the save and pass it to the corner for Sully Harnham.
Sully collects it, distributes it off.
Ben Fleckenstein already has 2 goals tonight. We'll lose it in the corner to Riley Curry. Forgot his name for a second, that's okay. He cuts through the middle. Trevor Townsend with the intercept and a near collision.
Here comes
Riley Curry from the center. Passes down to Chris Tracy. Surveys, passes. Right there, Cam Tracy with a snipe to the low corner, and he celebrates as so. Cam Tracy assisted by his brother, Chris Tracy.
That was so cringy. Stop trying to sound like an announcer.
Branson Ketty has been kicked off the news team.
Oh.
And the siren will sound, and that is the conclusion of the first half of play. Is this score right now?
Like 3-2.
Okay. Uchia Clan 3. The Birds 2.
2-2.
Yeah, Seth had the assist on that one.
Henry in the corner. Henry passes it over the middle.
Henry, Daniel Henry, Daniel Henry, Henry Abel. And if you guys are wondering what Daniel Henry, his Xbox user is, if you want to add him on Fortnite, it is Henry @HenryAbel. He plays duos, and he loves to play with newcomers.
He loves Fortnite.
He loves Fortnite.
Guy.
He's a big Fortnite guy. So is this man on the ball, Cam Tracy, but it's stripped from him from... Oh, and he's got it back into the corner. His brother Colin is at the point. He surveys, tries to dump it in.
We call that the Tracy rivalry.
Yeah, we call it the Tracy rivalry, even though they're on the team. Actually, Tracy triple threat is on. We have Chris Tracy, Colin Tracy, and Cam Tracy.
Will they attack? Let's see.
Cam Tracy looks. Sees Seth behind the net.
Slithering like a snake.
Slithering behind the net like a snake. Pass in front, intercepted by Daniel. Henry adjusts, moves down, goes for a dangle. Cam will recollect the ball and move it up the court.
But the Tracy
Simon will take it in the middle. Shot in front. And Brandon Troop will take the ball. Pass it up the
Here
court.
comes the Tracy triple.
For a quick counterattack. It will not be so. Sully collects it. Intercepted in front by Chris. Sully takes it. It's a 3-on-none. 3-on-none. And goal by Sully Harnham. Unassisted. Completes the hat trick. Actually, I don't know if it's a hat trick or not. Is it a hat trick? No. He's only got 2 goals. He does have an assist. The Birds are clearly in dismay as the Tracy brothers deliberate at center court. Slap me, silly Sully. What a goal. Cam Tracy is chased behind the net front by Owen Kidston.
Makes a play.
Makes a play to the corner. Seth Rutledge intercepts. Shot in front. Richard Curry will make the save.
A fake shot.
Owen Kidston has Ben on his side. Takes the shot. Brandon Troop with a save.
Oh,
up the
here
court.
comes
It's a
the
2-on-1.
The Tracy
Perfect.
double.
Tracy double.
Oh,
Crazy save.
no goal.
Write me a poem, Richard.
Write me in manuscript, Richard.
Ben Fleckenstein has the ball, passes it in front. Riley Curry will collect. Intercepted by Trevor Townsend.
Gets where the ball is.
The Birds will maintain possession off this free hit.
Cam Tracy tries to
Inspire his team to victory. Colin Tracy will have his ball taken from him. He will regain the position. Slash here. Play on, says the ref. Oh, Riley will strike. Great save by Richard Curry. And it will go out of bounds.
The shot goes.
Yep.
Oh.
Yep. Now, Branson, what are your thoughts on Richard Curry's game so
Well,
far?
I see he's been making some really key saves right now. You know?
Absolutely. Yes, I agree.
Yes.
He's made a couple of big saves.
Troopy over here, he's going to need to make a step up for this team if they're
Yep.
going to have a chance here.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more. And he is doing well. He's doing very well.
Okay.
His team needs to help him out a
Big
bit.
goalie.
There you see.
Big goalie guy.
Big goalie guy.
Big goalie
Loves to make saves. Loves to grab those floorballs.
Oh, goes for the Zorro.
Colin Tracy comes in for a hit.
Illegal
Absolutely.
hit.
Decks Daniel Henry, but he doesn't. He just
Henry.
misses, but you can see there's a little bit of beef there.
No.
And you got to worry
He's
about
getting
that.
a little bit kettle, as they might say. You know?
Indeed. Oh,
here's
Kidston
the
on the breakaway. Huge save.
Troopy makes the key save he's been needing to make.
Buy me a basket from Baskin Robbins, Brandon.
Buy me a cleaver from Cleaves. Troopy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What a
Oh,
save.
milk my cow. That was such a good save.
You heard it here first. Milk Branson's cow. What a crazy pass and what an even better save. I think you could say that Troopy really is stepping it up a little bit here.
He is the ink dauber at the moment.
Absolutely. That save was almost as magical as a golden trout from California. Oh my!
Good sign.
Whiffs on it, but still
It's like
maintains
science
it.
class.
And that will be the Birds' possession after it comes off the defender of the Uchia Clan.
Joel Hogan about to make the keyest play of his life right now.
Now you have to wonder. After a great rookie season last year, can Joel Hogan...
Can he bounce back?
Yeah, can he bounce back? Can he keep the same energy?
Can he maintain his course of pointage?
Absolutely. We shall see tonight. Slash, play on, great save by Troop. Probably cost him his life, but he made it. Daniel Henry still on the ball. And the net makes a key pass out front. Trevor will maintain possession after the slash. 2-on-1. It's broken up by
He's going
Seth
for the
Rutledge.
shot.
Owen Kidston,
Almost.
great shot. Another good save by Brandon Troop there. Oh, and a questionable call. They're going to question the ref here.
Joel looks confused out of his
Looks
mind.
confused and disgruntled.
Looks discombobulated at the moment.
Absolutely. But you have to
He
respect
needs
the
to
referee
he
here
needs to
today.
maintain the feet underneath him right now. He looks a little bit gassed.
Absolutely.
Look at him. He's laughing right now.
Referee tonight, Steve Broom, is a floorball legend within the community, and we'd love to thank him for his continued push for the sport to be
continuous.
played. Absolutely. And Colin Tracy, I don't know what he was doing there, but it wasn't good.
Where's his
As a
brother?
result, the ball will go out of play. Ben fucking Stein looking for that third goal. He
Like a snake.
he slithers in. Great pass. And great. What a play. Oh my goodness.
The triple.
Threat.
Oh no, tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe on my toes.
Tic-tac-toe on my
Trevor,
toe.
treat me to a Twitter dinner. Sully wants a copy of that one.
Trevor?
Trevor, yeah. And Sully. Yeah. We gotta delete the audio.
Well, butter my roll according to Jerry.
Oh! And off the crossbar. Riley is in
An
disbelief.
off the wall shot.
Continues with great defense. Not enough to get rid of Simon. Oh, pass in front. Sully still has it. Oh, pass. Shot into the corner. That's okay.
Simon's looking for his second point of the league.
Absolutely. Seth Rutledge will take the free hit in the corner as captain Cam Tracy watches on. Owen Kidson will get the possession here. Joel Hogan takes it.
Gonna make the key assist.
Winds up, takes a shot.
Oh.
Great shot, just wide of the
Great
net.
shot by Joel Hogan.
Chris Tracy right in front.
Oh.
Perfect to
Oh.
Seth. Seth.
Spinnerama.
Oh, Joel takes it.
Joel's taking control of the game right now,
Joel is absolutely playing
but doesn't back
incredible
check
right
hard
now.
enough, unfortunately. We might
Owen
see another
Kidson
goal
will
right
get
here.
we'll get a bit of space here to
This
move,
isn't
but
looking good for the Birds at the moment.
no, it is not.
Let's see Cam's reaction to this.
Simon Tracy straight up past three players. Will he pass it? Yes, he does, but defender Chris Tracy was too smart for that play. Seth Rutledge still on the ball, loses it at center. Owen Kidston makes an effort here. Great save by Brandon Troop. He assesses the battlefield. Pass to the corner. Ben Fleckenstein will wheel around. Pass to Simon Tracy. Right back to Owen Kidston. Shot. Key save there by Brandon Troop.
We should interview Cam.
Yeah, we will. Oh, and a high stick from Owen Kidston as he steps on the ball. We hope
The
his
ball
ankle
has
is
been-
okay. The ball has been mangled.
Has been squashed.
Squash me like squashed potatoes.
Squash me like a squash. Squash me like a squash. Call me squash.
Oh, shot just high. Uh-oh. Pass back to the corner. Daniel Henry keeps it. Pass behind the net. Simon Tracy will
Danny
collect. Danny Henny, bud.
Danny Henny makes a play in the corner. Danny Henny goes. Oh,
Riley the
does something.
rhinoceros.
Riley the
Oh,
right.
takes it right in the face. Trevor
Oh.
Townsend keeps his composure though and gets a shot on net.
TT.
Oh, there you go. That's a good defense. You gotta love that coming from rookie Trevor Townsend. Oh, Riley Curley with a nice move. Oh, blocked by Simon. Daniel has it now.
Sit my team. Call me Trevor Johnson.
Simon takes it from center. Oh, Trevor Townsend takes another hit.
one.
He is just getting labeled out here
Double
today.
hit for the double T.
There you go. Troopy will hit that ball out of play to waste some time.
He
But
looks
his-
confident in the net right now.
Absolutely.
Nods to the camera. He
Nods
knows what we're saying.
Yeah, he knows. Oh, another key save. Chris with the dump and chase. Colin will chase it, and he will give up in the corner. That's okay. He has a couple more goals in him, I feel.
Cam doesn't seem too happy with this.
No.
We'll have to see what this brings in the future.
Absolutely. We will interview Cam Tracy after the game, as well as someone else. We'll figure it out. We will interview Sully Harnham, who is having a breakout game right now.
See what
In his
Cam
rookie
Tracy
season,
can
in
do
his
on the
third game.
face-off here.
Cam Tracy with a key pass. Very smart decision by him.
Absolutely.
He watches on as Riley is chased into the corner by Sully Harnham. Pass up the court. Colin makes a swack at it, but misses. Chris challenges Daniel Henry. Daniel will
Go for
run up
big
the court.
round. Hopefully he doesn't trip and fall.
He's doing well. He's stable on his feet. This man knows how to rack up the points. What a great play. And a better save.
Just
Brandon Troop.
smacked it into the air. Just like,
Absolutely
just like a
going
pigeon.
off. As graceful as a pigeon.
As graceful as a pigeon, you might add.
Absolutely. And another key save. Great pass. Great vision. Oh, Ben
He's got
Fleckenstein
about
takes a
good
tumble.
hand-eye coordination at the pigeon.
A pigeon that can play in the NHL All-Star game.
Exactly. Pigeon mascot.
Cam Tracy winds up. Big shot! Oh, what a save by
Far
Cam
down
Tracy.
on the
Captain of the Birds. He loves it.
the triple T
He loves
attack.
Assisted by Riley Curry. What a great shot.
So far, all the goals have come from Tracy's.
Yep. The you could say that the Tracy family is a strong floorball family. They love coming out here and they love scoring goals.
They get her done.
They get her done. Owen Kidston with a blast.
It's in. That was in.
Was it?
Yeah, it was. It's the back bar.
So we might have to do a bit of a review at the end here. That may be a possible goal.
That was in. I was convinced that was in. It might not have been.
Referee Steve Broom says no.
We'll take a look at
Here we go. Shot on net. Oh! And it's a goal from rookie Seth Rutledge. Great goal. Great goal. There you go. Incredible.
One goal behind.
The Birds have come back with 2 straight goals and are only trailing by 1. I'm pretty sure it's look after. Yeah, so it's like that 14-20. So I'll just look at it. Face off here. Win to the Birds. Riley will take it behind the net. Chased by 2 Uchia Clans. Evades. Gets by a 3rd one. Takes a slash here. The play will continue. He shoots and he scores! And they've tied it.
They tied
3 straight goals. Riley Curry, unassisted, shoots it top right or left. I can't remember. Great goal. This is a hype game right now. It is now tied at 5 apiece.
Who's the assist?
Unassisted. Simon up the court, will shoot and wide. 20 seconds left in the game. It is tied at 5. The Birds will possibly take it slow here. I wonder, will we have a shootout tonight? And he will flick it out of bounds to waste some more time. Pass in front to Owen Kidston. Chipped in front again, and that is time. And there you go. Tie game. The Birds versus Uchia Clan, 5-5. Great game.